Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to show you how you can get data from Excel into Project and have it automatically updating. So this is a blank project file on the screen. If I go down to Excel, I've got some data in Excel. I'll just show you the data like so. But basically what I've got is just some phases with some durations and some start dates. I'm going to copy this, highlighting the data, copy, coming back into project and just pasting that as it is would just be a copy and paste. If I go back into Excel and change the duration, say for that one to 3 days, come back into project, just click off that, come back into project, that hasn't changed. But if I do this, if I copy it again, if I go back into Excel and copy that same data, copy, come back into project and go to paste, but this time select paste special and text data, paste link, text data, OK. Same information comes in, but now I'm going into Excel to change that to 4 days. Let's see what happens now. So if I go back into Excel, change that to 4 days. So that's changed in Excel. Come back into project, and that's picked up that change because this is linked, paste special and linked. If we go back into Excel and change the title, so I'll just put Steve, come back into project, and that should have picked that up. And it will also pick up the changes in duration, and the dates are moving across there. So 3 days starting on the Friday, moving across to Tuesday, the 3rd of December. So once you've done the link, it's going to update. What you can't then do is play around with this information in project, because then you'll break the links. You have to let this be driven from Excel. But just a quick little video of how you can get data from Excel into project and have people updating it in Excel, and you get the benefit of it in project. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can get data from Excel into project and have it automatically update in project when you've edited it in Excel. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.